Hello students, our next topic is down payment request. A customer orders some goods from your company. Since you are not sure about the customer's commitment, you request a payment advance from the customer by issuing a down payment request. You also use this document as a basis for other key steps in the sales process. For example, creating the final invoice. For that, we can use transaction code F-37 or by SAP S accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, down payment and रिक्वेस्ट। सैप में जाते हैं और देखते हैं। अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल, डाउन पेमेंट F-37. एंटर द डेट 1st May 2024, 1st May 2024, and we will pass the DZ, that is customer payment request. Select our customer, then press enter, again press enter, enter the amount 3000, then due date 5th May 2024, tax code okay, we will enter 0, press enter and then post, press enter. Now come back and check FBL5N, enter details with noted item, then click on execute. तो देखो हमारी एंट्री यहाँ पर हमें शो हो गई विथ स्पेशल जीएल ट्रांजैक्शन F जो ओपन है। अब हम डाउन पेमेंट शो करेंगे।